Bodies wrapped in Tarpaulin found in car. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police on Wednesday discovered two bodies in a Toyota Probox motor car in a section of Portmore St. Catherine. The bodies were found in the trunk of the motor vehicle and they were wrapped in a tarpaulin. Head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Superintendent Christopher Phillips, told reporters that the police suspect that the vehicle was parked in the area on Wednesday morning.
Police team was alerted to a white Probox parked along the Portmore Boulevard with what appears to be two bodies in the back of that vehicle, wrapped in Tarpaulin. Early days yet, we have commenced investigation on this just yet, but we suspect that this vehicle was parked here sometime this morning and might be connected to the ongoing gang feud we're having in the St. Catharines. We actually checked the vehicle, so we can confirm that two bodies are in the vehicle. We're not able to determine the genders yet, but two bodies are there.
That was head of the St. Catherine Police South Division, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, speaking to reporters at the crime scene. Continuing the news. In the meantime, SSP Phillips said that the deaths may be linked to an ongoing gang feud in the St. Catherine South Police Division. The police have also linked Tuesday's gun attack in Spanish Town St. Catherine Market District to a gang conflict and has imposed a curfew in a section of St. Catherine. The identities of the men found inside the motor car has not yet been ascertained and their cause of death. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.